The Bullish Tri Star. Bullish Tri Star pattern is a three-line bullish reversal pattern in which all three lines are doji candles. Any doji candle except the 4 price doji. The middle doji second line is below the others. The shadows do not matter. The pattern needs to be confirmed on the following candles, that is, the nearest resistance zone or a trend line has to be broken. The market contest in which the pattern appears is crucial. Nissan first introduced the bullish three-star pattern. It appears very rarely on the candlestick charts and therefore is not very useful on a daily basis. The bullish three star may seem somewhat strange because three doji candles are supposed to work as a bullish reversal pattern. In this pattern, all its three doji candles are formed within the bearish strong line pattern. The bulls have a strong resistance area above them and price moves sideways. Because bullish star, three star pattern is very rare, it's very difficult to calculate a reliable performance statistic.